from QFT to 2D supersymmetric TQFT mirror symmetry between math and physics. Introduction, quantum field theory for strings, Gromov-Wheaton invariance, mirror symmetry for closed strings, homological mirror symmetry, conclusion, and reference. Theoretical physics is taking an increasing part in the universe of mathematics. After calculus, vector, and tensorial analysis, topological theories make the entry into quantum field theories. More precisely, in the domain of topological theories are the most relevant. A fundamental of theorem of Atiyah has important repercussion in several branches of quantum physics in geometric approach. We can see the work of Alan Cohn on the non-commutative geometry, but also all the development due to Donaldson and Edward Wheaton around gauge theories, superstrings, and mirror symmetry. We present here an historical survey of some topological field theories, especially mirror symmetry, to understand the interpolation between quantum physics and topology. The introductions of supersymmetric theories in two-dimensional fields theories are able to strengthen the links between geometry and physics. The formalism of strings theory takes root around two-dimensional conformal field theories, the spatial structure of the source manifolds, Riemann surfaces, and supersymmetry, which attain Noether symmetry by the addition of supersymmetric variables, made it possible to extend the Berouet formalism to make this theory topological. The computation of correlation functions, in which points are replaced by a class of cohomology, lead to define space of instanton, moduli space. Those dimensions calculated by index theorems can be made equal to 0 by adding certain constants and lead to staging enumerative geometry. At the same moment, Gromov and Wheaton realized the importance of the concepts of curve in symplectic geometry. A little later, a very elaborate form of T-duality, the mirror symmetry, played a decisive role to calculate some invariance. The presentation will give some of the stage of the intellectual development and the relevance of the coupling between geometry and physics. From the tools that will be exposed in this paper, our goal is to identify background geometry and physics to understand mirror symmetry of model A and B. The past recent years have seen the gradual fusions of geometry and physics. The program initiated at the start of the 20th century by Einstein has no stopped growing size. There are several key periods. The first, at the beginning of the 20th century, the work of Einstein, general relativity, and the Kaluza and Felix Klein. The first attempt to unify the fundamental interaction known at the moment, relativity and electromagnetism. In addition, return to Klein, the idea taken up by string theorists is that of Raoult dimensions. Then quantum mechanics come on scene, making us forgetting geometry a bit in favor of functional analysis and probabilities. Geometry come back on the scene in the 50s with the notion of bundle of connection in differential geometry. The Yang-Mills theory, an example of non-abelian gauge theory modeled on bundle SU2, come into play. It prefigures the time of gauge theories in 4 dimensions. Finally, a third period begins at the start of the adaptation of supersymmetric models to string theory in the 90s. A first model of superstring is born. The theory of superstring of type 1, it continues until now. Geometry is everywhere. A string can be seen as a parametrized complex curve, a map of a Riemann surface in Lorentzian manifolds, so bosonic strings. A superstrings evolved in a Richter space, a special complex manifold called Calabi-Yau. Thus, we can modelize the classical evolution of a strings as the evolution of a point particle in space-time. One of the big differences lies in the fact that an interval of time, the source of space of classical theory, must be replaced by a richest topological space named Riemann surface. In the same way, the target space is a particular Kählerian manifold. That explains why the developments in algebraic geometry, mainly due to Alexander Grothendieck at the beginnings of the 60s, those of Atiyah about index theorem, and developments in a topological theory, those of Koldaya and Spencer on the theory of deformations of complex manifold, those of Michel Gromov in the middle 80s on the theories of allomorphic curves will play a major role in understanding the physical theories. We will discuss a little bit about geometric modeling of string theory and especially mirror symmetry. String theory developed considerably thanks to the progress of complex geometry and algebraic geometry in the 50s during the Cartan seminar, and in the 60s thanks to Alexander Grothendieck. The beginnings of the 60s see the results of the demonstrations of index theorems by Atiyah, which reconciles analysis and topology. This theorem will later calculate the dimensions of space of modulus of curves. This theorem is in fact a smoother and more flexible version of Riemann-Roch theorems obtained in algebraic geometry. The developments of the Kauf topological theory extended algebraic topology to fiber bundles. The algebraic versions provide complementary tools to study stable models on algebraic curves. Applications of derived functor in homological mirror symmetry enrich the tools for open strings and Brahms theory studies. This non-disturbing vision allowed to a first understanding of the theory of everything. This is a Calabi-Yau manifold. The concept of fields is fundamental in physics. A field is a function of a worksheet into a target space. It's represented by the package sigma Riemann surface manifolds and the function between Riemann surface and manifolds. The Lagrangian densities is a function of one or more fields and its first derivatives. The classical action is the integral of Lagrangian densities on the parameter space. We have the principle of least actions. The minimizations of actions leads for each field, just noted phi, to the Euler-Lagrange equations. For a free particle, for example, the field is simply the parameterized curve that describe the trajectory of a particle in free space. For free strings, is the trajectory of the strings in the target space with the non-Goto actions. The rules of symmetries in physics is fundamental. We want, for example, such actions invariance through a transformation like transformations rotation. We have the Noether theorems. Through any symmetry, the actions is the same. For example, we have a transitions symmetry. The symmetry by transition is equivalent to conservations of momentum. Uncertainty on the positions of momentum in quantum mechanics lead to replace the classical solutions by the partition function on the set of all possibilities. Lead to the path intervals. Similarly, one can calculate correlation functions or functions with endpoints. The baby model is, for example, the Ising models. You have lattice and some points in the lattice, and you can define, for example, the correlation functions given by the formula 1. Quantum field theory adapted to string theory is conformal field theories. This theory is complex for mathematicians, and it's not our purpose to describe it completely. Remember, however, that evolution of a string can be described by a Riemann surface of complex curve. The adapted model is the sigma models. In this source space is the Riemann surface. The Sargent space supposed to be a complex varieties. In extended field theories, word line that leads to the Feynman diagram is replaced by the worldsheet that Riemann surfaces. We can see them from the angle of symplectic geometry, where an important parameter is the IRA, or from the angle of complex geometry with complex structure G parameter. From mirror symmetry principle, these parameters are in duality. A whole mathematical engineering can then be carried out, leading to the definition of curve volume space stabilized by market points, which generalize endpoint correlation functions. Recall that a symplectic manifold is a differential manifold equipped with a two-closed form. We can also consider, for example, the space Cn and create a new complex structure. Thus, R2n can be handled with a structure of symplectic manifold, but that is not generalizable. A complex parameterized curve is a map. Phi, where G is almost complex structure on the source space, on the capital G, be an almost complex structure on the tangent. A complex curve is holomorph if it satisfies equations of Cauchy-Riemann. You have the Riemann-Roch formula for curves. Especially, you have to consider the infinitesimal automorphism, the complex dimension of modular space of curve for a Riemann surface of general G, yet dimension of Mg is given by the formula 3 and 4. Make first application of this formula. H0 of the tangents of sigma count the number of market points needed to stabilize the curve. So if G, the genus of the curve is plus of than 2, the dimension H1 is given by 3G minus 3. For example, if G equal to 1 is the case for elliptic curves, the dimension of Riemann space is 1, and if G equal to 0, it's just a point associative 0. We therefore focus on the attention of stable curves on maps. Let's see the curve between sigma, just a map between sigma x. Riemannian-Roch formula in this case is given by the formula 5. In genus 0, an automorphism of A1C is determined by the image of 3 distinct points. That is to say that automorphism with which fixed 2 points form a non-discrete group. We will therefore infinitesimal automorphism to get rid of infinitesimal automorphism. the curve, we must add marked point in the curve stabilized. A stable curve is a curve on which we added enough marked points to kill the infinitesimal automorphism. A stable map is a parameterized curve for which sigma is stable. We can now give the definition of moduli space of stable maps with core marked points. We define MGN X beta. This space considered above is not compact in general. We can compactify it. This amount to add singular curves. From the two previous formulas, Riemann-Roch for curve and Riemann-Roch for maps, we can deduce the virtual dimensions moduli space of allomorphic curves, considering the long exact sequence in cohomology associated to the exact sequence given here. By combining the two previous forms of Riemann formula, you have the dimensions of the space of curves. Virtual dimensions is given by the index of freedom operator for an index complex, and for an elliptic complex. Sorry. The moduli space of curve are compactified to take account of singularity and stabilized by quotients by a group of automorphisms. They correspond to orbifold for physicists. In algebraic geometry, the well-adapted structure is that of algebraic stakes. So virtual dimensions of the space give the Riemann-Roch theorems, a rigid versions of the Atiyah-Singer theorems. Famous applications in mathematics is the counting of curves passing through marked points. It is enumerative geometry. In physics, correlation functions resulting from this theory lead to invariant of Gromov-Witten, applied in supersymmetric swings, a model of Witten. We can define a supersymmetric fields by adding fermionic variables. We have a localization theorems. The path integral is localized around fields configurations where fermionic variables stay invariant under supersymmetric transformations. Supersymmetric transformation is infinitesimal transformation of the actions which transform boson in fermion and vice versa. We tend to show that introduction of supersymmetry made it possible to localize incalculable path integral around critical configuration in instantial. In superstring theory, the A model shows that these instances are precisely the holomorphic curve satisfying the Cauchy-Riemann conditions. The path integral become computable and the correlation functions can be seen as the invariants of Gromov-Witten. In this appropriate case, those where the instability have been killed. These invariants become numbers, is called Gromov-Witten invariant quantity, the formula 6. You have the evolution maps or the visual maps. Kontsevich gave a toy model considering the holomorphic curve of P1C to P2C. He obtained an iterative formula for the number of rational curves of degree D through 3t minus 1 points. By applying this formula, we find if if n equal to 1 by 2 points, just pass only one line. By 5 points, pass only one conic. By 8 points, 3 curve, 12 curve of 2p3, and by 11 points, 620 curve of degree 4. For examples, for 5 points has only one conix. This is enumerative geometry. Back to physics. In the Wheaton supersymmetric model, take X Calabi-Yau free-falls. Calabi-Yau is the richest flat. That means this, the integral given is equal to 0. In these conditions, you can calculate the dimensions of moduli of curves. You see that we have a basic LIGO for topological field theory is the 3-point functions. The calculation of correlation functions by direct method, namely a size of the mirror symmetry, is not easy. You have to expand the correlation functions. A conjuncture of Clemens says, for example, that you cannot calculate this number due to problem of multiple corollings, which contradict the expected dimensions of zeros for space applications modules. It's better for more precisely calculus to work in the other size of the mirror. The objects we work with in enumerative geometry are Kähler forms or parameterized deformations of this form. Mirror symmetry says that one can express the same physics sitting by deformation of complex structure on a variety mirror on identifying the correlation function from the two models. Mirror symmetry postulates that there are two points of view to represent the physics of fermionic strings. The relevance comes from the fact that some problems not solvable from a certain point of view are on the other. Mirror symmetry is a very accomplished form of T-duality appeared in bosonic string theory, which states that the partition functions remains unchanged in the change R1 divided by R, which R denotes the radius of compactification of extra dimensions. In superstring theory, where the target is a complex torus, we can notice that mirror symmetry exchange symplectic structure, deformation area, and deformation of structure, complex structure. This is a deformation of a complex structure. AE denote the complex structure, the top of the picture. At the size of the mirror, the correlation functions were calculated from holomorphic curve instanton. In this context, they will be calculated using the tools of complex geometry. The point is the statistical physics on the Russian School of Arnold. The main model is the Ginzburg-Landau models. At the beginning, this is the Lagrangian for ferromagnetism. At the critical temperature, the mass mu equal to 0. So the correlation length and this mass is infinite. At this temperature, the field's phi0 solutions of differential of V to phi is 0 free time degenerated. The small perturbations of V solve the singularity and the symmetry is breaking. The challenge is to find a way of marginally perturbations of potential theory in order to preserve the symmetry and define by this fact a critical family of superpotential. The superpotential is an holomorphic functions. You can give the Lagrangian and calculate the extrema for the potentials. So it's relevant to define Kira ring. Deformation respecting the Kähler ring are given by W. For example, if you choose W of x, I on Z, the deformed potential is given by W deformed. If you want marginal deformations, only non-vanishing term mu equal to T7 resolves the critical situations. You do not break the Z3 symmetry. We don't just have continued family of allowed perturbations, W deformed. We just add two. This example of supersymmetric lead to the first example of Calabi-Yau manifolds. The Calabi-Yau variety is a Kählerian-Ricci flight, which is to say the canonical bundle is trivial. There are among over K-free surfaces involved in one theories on the Canting threefold for closed fields. There is a strong constraint between the degree of hypersurface and the dimensions of Euclidean space. To manufacture some Calabi-Yau, you have the concepts of hypersurface on the long exact sequence in cohomology associated to hypersurface. And the result is that you must have Hn of x, how x equal to c. That implies that necessarily d equal to n plus 2. This gives for n equal to 1 elliptic curve, for n equal to 2, d equal to 4 K-free surfaces, and for n equal to 3 and d equal to 5 Cantic threefolds. Respectively, Calabi-Yau in 1 dimensions, in 2 dimensions, and in 3 dimensions. We focus on two types of deformations of Calabi-Yau, deformations of symplectic structure and those from complex structure. The complex structure deformations is given by H1 of x tangents of x. This is isomorph to H21 of x. The Kähler deformations is given by H11 of x. There are two field theories, supersymmetric in duality, is for deformations of the complex structure on the symplectic on the deformations. You have the Hodge diamonds for the Hodge numbers of complex manifolds. In mirror symmetry, you intertwine one H11 and H21. On the aside, supersymmetric constants lead to what the actions do depends only on the Kähler form. The calculations of color relation functions is difficult because it takes into account corrections on the degree curves, invariance of Grobov freedom. On the besides, Biarritz formalism explained in the other side of mirror symmetry apply instantaneous are the constant maps. On the correlation functions is given by the formula. The two numbers, H11 and H21, for the Cantic threefolds is given by respectively 1 on the 101. They count the number of deformation structure respectively on Kähler on complex. The principle of mirror symmetry gives H11 of mx 101 on the H21 of mx mirror of x equal to 1. We say in addition that the correlation function calculated from both sides of mirror are identical. You need to manufacture the mirror maps associated parameter of deformations of scalar structure with parameters of deformations of complex structures. If a problem is difficult at the A size, we can try to solve it on the B size. In physics, if a problem is difficult in the A size, we can try to solve it in the B size. In mathematics, passing through the mirror applications can solve so important all problems on enumerative geometry. We calculate that homogeneous kinetic in P4 is obtained by considering the surface potential given here. You take a marginal deformations and the mirror kinetic varieties is associated with the preponderant resolutions of the previous marginal deformations. The overall constructions of mirror maps is difficult. Should be localized and built the map at the neighborhood of a point. X denote the Calabi-Yau, mx its mirror. We must first calculate the Yukawa coupling, identifying by mirror maps, deduce the Yukawa couplings. We can deduce predictions of the number of rational curve in X. We will briefly describe in the following useful mathematics for the base size of the content. The principle of mirror symmetry says that the free point functions between symplectic and complex is given by h equal to theta, theta, theta. You denote by th and curve parameterize in the module of scalars deformations. The problem is to produce an image in the modulus of complex deformations. And you can find the correspondence between the complex deformations and the auroral deformations. The more simple example of Calabi-Yau are elliptic curves. They will give us to understand the techniques identified below and set the mirror map. For a flat bundle, go around a single object centered in a t, a constant distance to the center, is namely monodromy in mathematics. In physical physics, we talk about Wilson laws. Residue map, we can generalize the formula for residue of complex variable functions around z equal to 0 by replacing function different form on a point by hypersurface. This will be useful for calculate areas. The elliptic curve A is given by C divided by 1t is lattice of Calabi-Yau elliptic curve. The volume form is given by omega. The Hodge diamonds for elliptic curve is given by this. The one parameters families of deformation of an elliptic curve is given by x3 plus I3 plus Z3 minus 3c xIz equal to 0. If alpha and beta are homology cycles, that depends on phi, we can find ratio pairs. You have the concept of degeneration of elliptic curve, family of curves. Ever xt than t value around a loop in P1, T2, minus 0. It's a Wilson loop. All elements of this family are diffeomorphic. This induces an automorphism of homology. You can illustrate that by taking a one-parameterized family of curves. The parameter T of the elliptic curve is the signature of the complex structure. The geometric expressions is the elliptic curves with the parameterized tau. At the level of group automorphism, we have these transformations that justify the choice of a new coordinate given by u of t, because the passage to the limit give when t give to 0 in tau give to plus infinity. Q to t, where Q to t is an holomorphic functions of t, which also tend to 0. So it is a locate coordinate for the families of elliptic curve. We spoke in physics that a large complex structure is in bijection with large volume limits. Is the Cantic? In the Cantic, you have the same developments. You can find the periods, and you have some predictions about the number of curve of the rational Cantic. Homological mirror symmetry. It was previously presented a mirror symmetry involving the closing strings supposed to translate gravitations. One may wonder if such of theory can be adapted to open strings. The answer is yes. We have seen that mirror symmetry was an elaborate form of T duality. But how to translate number of readings in the case of open strings? The answer to the previous question exists. You can find an open strings provided that its ends are fixed on the ground. Thus, the mirror symmetry of the open strings is based on the duality open string ground. In axiomatic theory of homology, we often consider the relative homology of a space by a subspace. In fact, we can do the same in topological field theory. We can replace in theory fields the subspace sigma by the pair sigma boundary of sigma. On those things, for example, of the evolutions of an open strings whose extremity are constant to remain fixed on the point. This approach will describe all of the particles, not just gravitation. In this theory, in fact, the particles of the standard models are seen as open strings fixed on the ground, fixed the universe in which we evolve. The geometric ground is a triple L, A, blah, blah, where L is a submanifold, L include Lagrangian, include in M, is a typically a ground, and blah is the collections on strings of origin on the target. They are open strings between Lagrangian L to the Lagrangian K is a map from I01 with X0 is in L, the ground L, and X1 is in the ground K. We also call open string story a map from the open Riemann surface. But why a bundle A on a connection? An elementary particle is charged by a Gauss field. For the electron is the Maxwell field on the group 1A, 1U1. For a quark, the charge is the color. Yang-Mills fields so as with an elementary particle, a bundle A on its associated connections. By analogy, at each end of an open strings is associated the couple A nabla A. In the story of the particle or of the end of the open strings, we are led to consider the holomorphy of connections, linear map. At the origin of open string living on the brane E, we specify the target brane K for obtain index-colored chain pattern. Introductions of n branes therefore introduce gauge theory. This theory is non-commutative. One brane is necessary to describe electromagnetism, at least two for described gauge group SU2. Playing with this, we can model the different gauge theory SUN. To define the mirror symmetry of open strings, Kontsevich categorizes the complex symplectic exchange. The event homological mirror symmetry. Many ideas is to replace the object of mirror symmetry, namely symplectic manifolds, by objects belonging to two categories mirror of each other. The Fukaya categories contain the chain complex of symplectic size, and the subcategory of coherent sheave modelize the complex geometry on size P. Mirror map also by replaces by a function between these two categories. Is not the first example of fifth theory to use category language. Chern-Simons theory used categorifications from no theories. Kontsevich statement in 1904 says that there is an equivalence of category between the boundary derived category of coherent sheave to a Fukaya category of its mirror. Briefly, we will always consider the concept in this context holomorphic curve, but now the Riemann surface will be replaced by surface with boundary. You have the notions of counting of holomorphic disk. Here, the options will be to categorize from flower homology and to find an equivalent categories in the B size. The symplectic size in open strings theory, the good theory is flower homology. This homology is a kind of Morse homology adapted to the language of symplectic geometry. It was invented by Flower to demonstrate annual conjuncture in symplectic geometry. Formally, the Flower theory is an adaptation of that of Morse is infinite dimensions. That starting manifolds is replaced by a path space instead of critical poles. We will have to define the notions of critical path. This quantity represents the symplectic clara which replaces the H function in Morse theory. Let V a vector field, the differential of the previous equations is the differentials of Iowa. The critical points are just constant paths. The trajectory of the gradients are geomorphic maps. You can define the Flower complex model generated by the points of intersection of two Lagrangian L0 of L1, which defined by the differentials dp. As in Morph homology, which shows that D define a complex of broken trajectories this is a compact space of dimension 1. So an even number of points of H, the square of the H is therefore 0. We can define the product structure of the Flower complex on reiteral to define affiliate categories. Is given by the example. You are propagator, the two-point correlation functions, after the three-point functions on the four-point functions. And, to manufacture this is a defined product structure converged to affiliate category. On this side, we have already seen that dominant complex geometry is categorifications, which leads to define the category of coherent sheaf. We cannot give more detail there. As in the case of closing swing, it may be a question of defining a mirror map, allow it to go from side B to side A. This first example that validated that this theory was given by Zaslow for elliptic curves. Unfortunately, in this paper, we cannot mention all the studies undertaken so far. It seems that non-geometry that which discovered in the boundary fields theory is interesting. It about the symmetry group of the particle of the standard models. Another approach proposed by Alan Kuhn is possible is non-commutative geometry. The theory of index can also be considered in the context of non-commutativity. In his theory, Alan Kuhn do not need to speak about supersymmetry. It uses a triplex HD, which is Dirac operator, and obeying the deformation of the algebra of continuous functions. It might be interesting to understand the links between the elaborate gauge theory proposed by Wittens using supersymmetry and that of Alan Kuhn using non-commutative geometry. And thanks for your attention.